I'm EvFaulk. This is Education 250, and I'm going to be doing my instructional video on shooting a layup in basketball. This will be our demonstrator. This is Daniel. Before we begin with our layup, we want to review the prerequisite skill for shooting a layup, and that's dribbling. So Daniel's going to start here. He's got the ball in his right hand. His knees are bent, his butt's down, his head and his eyes are up off the basketball. He's using his fingertips to control the ball instead of his palm. It's easier to control that way. And notice how he's not letting that ball get down on his palm at all. He's keeping the ball about waist high, which is good. Now he's going to switch over to his left, and it's all the same stuff. He's waist high with the dribble. He's using his fingertips. His head and his eyes are up, not looking down at the ball. His waist is down. All right, now we're going to talk about how it should look to shoot a layup before we actually begin shooting them. And one thing that a lot of people have trouble with is timing their steps up and figuring out which foot to jump off of. So we're first going to talk about shooting a right-handed layup. Daniel's got the ball in his right hand. He's just going to demonstrate what it should look like leading into shooting the layup. Now when you shoot layups with your right hand, you're going to jump off your left foot. So just like Daniel's right now, he's going off his left foot. Now, as you go up to shoot the layup with your right hand, it should look like there's a string connecting your right hand, your elbow, your knee, and your right foot. And as that right hand goes up, the knee and the foot goes up with it. It should look just like that as you lay the ball in the basket. So now Daniel's going to walk back here to half court. He's going to dribble in slow motion and shoot the layup, and then we'll go full speed and see how it should look at full speed. On you, Dan. Now he's dribbling in with his knees bent. His head and his eyes are up on the rim. He's got the ball in his right hand. Again, he's going to jump off his left foot. His arm and his leg should look like it's connected, going all up in one motion. Then he's going to lay the ball in the basket, just like that. Good. Now we're going to go full speed with it here one time and see what it should look like full speed. Perfect. Now we're going to go on the left side. Then let's show them again how it should look with the left hand going off the right foot. As I just mentioned, you're going to shoot a layup on the left side now, so you're going to use your left hand. That means you'll be jumping off your right foot. Again, your arm and your leg should look like it's connected by a string. As your left hand goes up, your right knee and your right foot should come up with it. Your left knee and your left foot should come up with it. So you're shooting with your left hand, your left knee, and your left foot should come up. You're jumping off your right foot. Let's go through it slow motion one time, Dan. He's dribbling in on the left side. He's using his left hand. His knees are bent, his head and his eyes are up. As he goes up off his right foot, his left knee and his left arm goes up all in one motion, and he lays it in the basket. One more time, left knee, left foot, laying it in the basket. Remember, left hand, you're jumping off your right foot. Here we go. Full speed. Now we're going to show you a drill here that'll really help you with your layup shooting. This is called the Mikan drill. Now, Dan's going to be facing the wall there. His head's almost under the basket. As he goes to shoot on the right side, he's going to jump off his left foot. His knee and his arm's going to work together in one motion. He'll lay it in. Gets it out of the net. Now he's going to the left side. He's going to jump off his right foot. His left leg and his arm are working in motion. Now we can go a little bit quicker, Dan. Going off his left foot on the right side, his right foot on the left side. Okay, that's good. Now, we're going to talk about one more thing here. We just went through the traditional layup. We showed you a drill, the Mikan drill, that will really help you improve your layup shooting. Now we're going to work on what's called a reverse layup. Okay? So, Dan, if you want to start back here at half court. Let's dribble in slow motion and talk about it. He's going in on the right side, so the ball's on his right hand. Okay? He's driving it in just like he's going to shoot a layup on the right side. Instead, he's going to drive under the basket. Now he's on the left side, so he's going to jump off his right foot, use his left hand and almost hook it into the basket there. Just like that. Show him one more time, slow motion. He's going off his right foot. He's drove under the basket, and he's shooting a left-handed layup. Let's go full speed here one time and see what it should look like. This is the reverse layup, starting on the right side. We're going to finish on the left. Reverse layup. Here we go. All right. Now, notice